all the stuff that I got from here. So the kit includes soft paint sculpt, rose gold sculpt duo brush, Stuck on You bonder gel base, Shape It Up nail liquid, glass and DUPE dish, 100% great purple terminator file, and clean finish buffing file, bond 8, and crystal clear almond silhouette tip, brush on nail glue, mighty mini blues, and then clean it and towelette and so on and so forth. So I have a lot of stuff from here, and yeah, I normally don't do this more often. I only do this when I feel like I want to do it. So as you can see, I have nothing here, and yeah, so let's see. And I'm going to walk through the video. I'm not going to talk about it. I'm just going to speed some video. I'm going to slow it down and just show you how the end results are. Okay, so stay tuned and watch the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, ask me any question, let us be friends, and press the bell button so anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first to watch it. And I'm always there for you. Okay, love you all. This is the nail primer, and yeah, this is very good. I'm lifting using this. It's everything. Yeah, it's non-acidic primer used for gel nails, available. I think mine is in 0.5 ounce. So this is hair brush. This is how it looks, and yeah, this is Tommy Taylor Sculpt 6W Kolinsky, made in the USA, so made by her. And let me remove. This is how her brush looks. It's very nice. It's really shaped very carefully, and yeah, it's very good. And yeah, so her brush is also very good. I use it all the time, and I love it. I love it. And I also have this here. Yeah, I have this. Yeah. Also from Tommy Taylor. I also have her glass DUPE dish, and I got some to clean the brushes when it's dirty. Hello everybody, how you all doing? I hope everybody's doing fine. So are you ready to party with me? So in today's video, we are going to do a Sculpt acrylic gel hybrid my way, and this I got this product from Tommy Taylor website here in Germany. So this is my almond shape, but later on I did change it, so you'll see all that. So first of all, you have to make sure you wash your hands, and then you have to sanitize your hand before you do anything. It's bonder gel base used with Sculpt. It is an easy brush on formula and cures in UV and LED, 45 seconds in the LED and 2 minutes in a UV. Using this with Sculpt will give you optimum adhesive and to the natural nail, especially nails that have a lifting problem. This is your baby here, Stuck on You. It's the best. It's very good. I use it all the time, and I have to let you know that this is what you should go for, okay? So I just want to give you a little detail about this. So this is the acrylic gel hybrid. It's an odorless nail system Sculpt. It's hard like acrylic and cures like gel, excuse my voice, which means you can get a burst of both well, you know. Yeah, so Sculpt is curved in a UV and LED, and it's a pre-mix for perfect consistency. It's very good. When using Sculpt, it has a soak off formula, easy to learn, can be applied over any acrylic or gel, and then you get a perfect C curve every time. Sculpt is available in 60-gram tube and in 4 different colors. So this is the color that I chose, the warm pink. It's very beautiful, and I even have a video on it, so you can go through my videos and then you can go and search through it. You're gonna find it. It's such I'm filing the tape because I changed my mind. It was too long for me and it was too sharp for me, so I'm going to file it down to a little bit down, because now I want a coffin shape. So that's the look I'm going for now. And yeah, so there's the reason why I have to do this now. This machine I'm showing you here right now is from 2006. My husband bought it for me as a present, and it's so fucking old, but it worked perfectly. I have no problem with it. I mean, it's such a beautiful thing, but very old, and it works so good for me. So I'm going to use this tool here to create my C curve, just to clean it up a little bit and curve everything, make sure everything is nice. So yeah, I'm still on it, trying to file it, create my C curve, clean it up, do everything to bring back life to it again. So yeah, I'm creating my C curve here using my machine. Yeah, I don't want any lump, any bulky, whatever. I want everything smooth, nice and smooth as possible. So here, I'm still on it. Yeah, so in the end it came out so beautifully. It was so beautiful. It was so professionally done. Like seriously, I was so proud of myself. So this is the finished look. It was so beautiful. It was very, I was so proud. And yeah. So this is the finished look. Bye bye, and see you later in my next video. Love you all. Stay cool, stay safe, and bye. I'm so sad I'm saying bye bye to you, but what can I say? See you in my next video. Love you, baby. I love you all. Mwah, 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 mwah. Ciao ciao.